Mr. Speaker, the Emergency Measures Act is so exceptional that it requires the government to justify its use to prevent abuses of citizens' rights. An investigation into the government's actions must be held. I said an investigation into the government's actions. Analysts and civil rights groups have stated it clearly. The executive order giving this mandate to Judge Rouleau asks him to investigate citizens, rather. So the Liberal government is writing the report's findings even before the investigation begins. Why? The Honourable Deputy Prime Minister. Mr. Speaker, illegal blockades of critical corridors and the occupation of Ottawa were hurting our economy and endangering public safety. Our government was cautious, but we understood that we were responsible for protecting the Canadian economy and for protecting Canadians. We are looking forward to receiving Judge Rouleau's report. The Honourable Member for Mégantic-L'Érable. Mr. Speaker, neither the Minister of Justice nor the Minister of Public Safety is able to justify the use of the Act. They are taking refuge behind Cabinet confidence. Once again, we are seeing a concerted effort in all of Cabinet to protect who? The Prime Minister, who once again is playing political games on the backs of citizens. With the complicity of the NDP, they themselves set up the roles of the committee to analyze the government's decisions. They removed Commissioner Rouleau from the very specific mandate under the Act. Why? The Honourable Deputy Prime Minister. Mr. Speaker, our government's measures were appropriate. They were targeted and ended as soon as possible. It is our duty to protect Canadians and the Canadian economy. We met that obligation, which is a central responsibility of any federal government. And we are looking forward to receiving Justice Rouleau's report.